question of the day, today Tuesday, is how do muscles get their name? Now you probably heard of all these muscles in your body. Some of them are well known, some of the smaller ones they're not. But when you understand why or how the muscles got their name from the very first anatomists, your body starts to make a little bit more sense. So muscles are generally named for three things. Number one is their shape or how they look. Number two is where they attach or where they are, like what bones they attach to or what landmarks they attach to. Or number three is what they do or how they act on your body. So we kind of understand that the names of muscles in your body sound less like kind of gobbledygook and make a little bit more sense. So for example, one of the most commonly known muscles that you might know or you might see at the weight machines at the gym is you work your deltoids. Your deltoids are a muscle on the outside part of your shoulder here, kind of your shoulder pad. So deltoid muscles, from looking at this from the left side, this is a shoulder from the left view. Here's a collarbone, and here's a shoulder blade, and here's the arm. The deltoid muscle, for looking at it from the outside, kind of looks like this. Okay, in so many ways. And so if we're looking at that from the outside, it kind of looks like a triangle. So deltoid is derived from the Greek symbol delta. And the Greek symbol for delta is a triangle. So if we were naming this muscle in 2020 and we were the first anatomists to name muscles, that would be the triangle muscle. So that's pretty cool. Another kind of example of that, patients know or people know, commonly referred to muscle is called the biceps brachii. So the biceps brachii, or biceps, is a muscle in the front part of the arm here. And so again, this is a muscle that's just kind of named for the look it has, for the shape it has. If we were naming this muscle in 2020, it would be known as the two-headed muscle of the arm. So the reason it's biceps is because it has two heads. One goes there, and they kind of form into one. So two heads. Some other examples, things that you might have seen, you might see at the gym. Your quadriceps muscle, your quads, are in the front of your thigh, and they are named quadriceps sort of like as a group because there's four of them, but each individual muscle of the quadriceps gets its own name. And those names are the vastus muscles, and if you think vast, the Latin or Greek root for vast means really wide, just like it sounds. And so those muscles are just named vastus for where they are in the thigh. Your latissimus dorsi sounds like a weird kind of Latin gobbledygook name, but latissimus in Latin roots just means really broad, and dorsi just means toward the back. So if we were naming that muscle in 2020, that would be the broad muscle of the back. So that's how muscles generally get their name. It's not as complicated as you might think, but hopefully you understand the body a little bit more because of that.